Hey guys, welcome to Learning Tree. Today we're going to discuss about the topic water bodies. Before going to the topic, let us know some interesting facts. Do you know total volume of water on the earth's surface is 97.5%. In this, 95% of water is in seas and oceans and remaining 2.5% is available as fresh water. Again, in this fresh water, 70% is available as glaciers, icebergs and frozen ice, and remaining 30% is available as groundwater, lakes and rivers. Going to next one, our India receives 4% of global precipitation. Let me explain the statement clearly. I think you know what is meant by precipitation. The primary mechanism for transporting water from the atmosphere to the surface of the earth is called as precipitation. This may be in the form of rain, snow, sleet, fog, hailstones, etc. But our India receives only three types of precipitation, and those are rainfall, snowfall and hailstones. Do you know the difference between hailstones and sleet? Let me explain you. Hailstone mean raining along with stones or stones fall on ground along with water when it rains. Coming to the sleet, sleet mean only ice will be raining in absence of water. We have frozen point in our atmosphere. When the climate is very cool, the water is converted into ice at the frozen point. India's rank is 133 according to water availability per person per annum. Mean, in the worldwide, India is in 133 position according to water availability per human being in a year. Total water renewable source in India is 1897 square kilometers. The above statement says the area it takes to store water in India is 1897 square kilometers. USA has 550 square kilometers and Australia has 990 square kilometers to store water. The water available in Rajasthan were known as purest form of water and also called by a special name known as Palar Pani. Coming to gulls or cults, these words are mostly used in hilly and mountain regions to refer man-made diversions and channels for agriculture. The first artificial lake was built in 11th century by man called Bhopal Lake. All artificial lakes are freshwater lakes. First tank in India called House Cars constructed in Delhi by Nizam King Itimush in 14th century to supply water to Siri Fort area. Siri Fort area is nothing but the place where queens used to live. Coming to the ocean, the largest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean, which covers 1/3 of world area. In the Pacific Ocean, we can find some small dead animals called as coral polyps from where coral reefs are formed. Coral reefs mean small mosses-like beautiful structure. Highest coral reef is found in Australia. Now going to the sea. What is the actual definition of sea? The water body which is partially enclosed by land and open to ocean is called sea. Like Mediterranean Sea is connected to Atlantic Ocean. Red Sea. Do you think the water of Red Sea is in red color? No, not at all. The sea just looks red in color because of millions of red tiny plants are growing under sea. So the sea is called as Red Sea. Coming to the Black Sea. In the Black Sea, thick black colored mud is deposited at the bottom of the sea. So it is called as Black Sea. The largest sea in the world is South China Sea. And in this sea, thousands of islands can be found. Now let us know about Dead Sea. In this sea, salinity is more that no one can live in it. So it is called as Dead Sea. Now coming to the lakes, the water bodies which are surrounded by land on four sides is called lakes. The water in the lakes can be salty or fresh. Do you know why seas are called as lakes like Caspian Sea, etc.? Because these are larger as seas but surrounded by four sides as lakes. Why oceans, seas, lakes are salty? Let us know the answer. Because of the evaporation, when it rains, the runoff water flows through rocks and carry minerals like NaCl which finally mixed in sea or oceans or lakes. Thank you.